MRG Tool and Die was founded in 1979 by the current owner, Mike Gramsey.
Mike came back from the Navy and wanted to be self-employed, which is what drove him to start the business. He has a 2-year degree from South Central College here in town.
Started down the road from where we're currently at in the spot. Him and a partner started. They decided they wanted to be their own bosses.
Moved to this location, I think a year or two after it was founded, and there's been about 4 expansions on the building since.
When we decided to do our building expansion, shortly after is when we hit that recession, and we had already started and we had to keep going. What was allowed us to do that was the range of capabilities that we do here at MRG.
It's not a production shop where you load the parts, hit cycle start, wait till they're done, repetitive time and time again.
We make or help our customers make pretty much anything, is what I like to say. The range of what we can do is endless.
We could build you your molds, your stamping dies, your special machines, your assembly machines, your drill fixtures. We here at MRG can make it for you.
We manufacture components and tooling for the industry in watercraft, ATV, motorcycles, agricultural industry, all the way to food packaging industries, food producing industries, and everything in between.
It's real satisfying at the end of the day to say, I made this part of that fixture over there, or I made this part of that car emblem mold. Car emblem molds are always fun, because it's fun to see the cars out driving around and you say, we made the mold that made that. We don't make the part, but we made the tool that made the part.
We use a lot of different technologies. You have your machine tools that we use. We also use the computer technology with programming. We use Mastercam for our programming software. We're using Key Creator, SolidWorks, and Pro Engineer for design softwares.
We work with automation, we work with WaterJet, we work with all the CNCs and the lathes, some new robotic stuff on some of our special machines, some of the different technologies there.
Every day is different. Some days I may come and do engineering on a project. The next day I may actually be building the parts that I engineered the previous day, and the day after that I may be assembling the parts that I built.
We are a very stable company, been around, we have a good reputation for individuals, but the strive is for MRG to be a preferred place for people who want to work and have their careers.
I've worked at MRG Tool and Die for the last 25 years, and I've always had a variety of work, and I've always been challenged, and I've always been rewarded for my accomplishments.
You can make a very comfortable living, raise a family, support your hobbies, and live a good life in the manufacturing industry.